My name is Greg Mirbaum, and I'm the CEO here at Coastal. I was taught a long time ago, to create wealth, you have to learn how to make money, manage money, and duplicate it. I accomplished the first two steps well, and after my largest liquidity event, I immediately began searching for the best way to protect it, preserve it, and intelligently invest it. So I put together my own private family office right here in Winter Park. To help me ultimately guide through this process, I hired the best team of consultants, accountants, financial planners, and attorneys that I could find. It is with their advisory that I placed my money into strategic, syndicated real estate deals, venture capital deals, all with a focus on tax savings. I'm friends with a lot of successful people that do not know anything about these types of alternative investments, tax strategies, or even how to access them, especially at the same level that I did. So fast forward to now, Coastal is thriving. We continue to build new relationships that provide us with opportunities, and we have helped invest close to $500 million for deals that we have participated in, and we are just getting started.
Our mission is to provide successful people access to and advice about institutional real estate and venture capital investment opportunities. Coastal's primary focus in today's market is based around the demand for real estate development in various asset classes, such as multifamily, self-storage, and innovative products like build-for-rent communities. We spend an enormous amount of time to get to know our clients individually, helping them realize their investment objectives. What we have found is that through the process is most people have an appetite to learn and participate in these types of investments, but they need to get comfortable with how these work and understanding the details.
These are asset classes that have been around for years and years and years. Typically, most people don't have access to them or an understanding of how to participate. And it's through the education and advisory that the Coastal team provides that allows you to feel comfortable with stepping into this arena.
Our advisory team travels the country searching for the best-in-class partners, or as we call them, sponsors. Every group that we talk to must pass the litmus test on a company level and on a deal level. Each deal we look at is thoroughly researched by our internal advisory team. For every 100 deals that cross our desk, only 1 or 2 make it through the entire due diligence. In this business, our reputation is paramount. To us, to our sponsors, and to our investors.
While any firm can provide access to retail real estate investments, our intimate level of participation is directly alongside the developers. The sponsors we seek are vertically integrated to provide everything in-house, from the land acquisition all the way to the exit. Think about it this way. When you buy something at retail, there's a markup from the wholesaler. The wholesaler buys their product cheaper and directly from the manufacturer. Think of Coastal as the manufacturer of these opportunities.
And so what we really created at Coastal is a vehicle that allows people to all participate and get to go for the ride with big multi-billion-dollar companies.
Since we are on the ground level of these projects, unlike retail investments, we feel we are better positioned to provide better returns that are structured to outperform public markets.
As a Coastal client, you'll have complete transparency with your investments through our investor portal. In this portal, you'll have everything from your investment and tax documents, as well as market and project updates to keep you informed throughout the process. Our goal is to provide excellent customer service to ensure that we are meeting and exceeding our clients' expectations.
I've been partners with our CEO, Greg Mirbaum, for over 15 years in various business ventures. We've always strived to have our passive income greater than our earned income in order to create generational wealth. We decided to share the same philosophy with other high net worth individuals. And so, Coastal was born. Let us help navigate your future.